mara moja.
Jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua onyiso pinje duto manie Afrika mondo wuog oko kanyakla mar rakore gi lwang'ni mar Maugo. Gachagua mane loso Mombasa e romo magalamoro mokelo jolony mag weche Maugo koni pinje Afrika oket geno maduong' e pith mar jamni kendo miyo nyaka koro gigol lweny makidek rocho pith mag jamni wego. Jatelo no bende nojiwo jolony mondo omi otim nonro mar yango yedhe molosi lony manyasani mabiro konyo kedo gi lwang'ni no makelo tuo mar nendo gi tuo mar jamni bende.
Livestock contributes between 30% to 80% to the GDP of sub-Saharan Africa. But this contribution is under threat from the tsetse fly disease, which has been linked to economic losses of up to $4.5 billion annually. With over 2.1 billion heads of chicken, 490 million goats, 420 million sheep, 370 million heads of cattle and other economically useful animals, resistance to multiple drugs has been noted in 21 countries in Africa, Kenya included. This is a major threat to controlling the disease. It is also a major threat to the economy of the continent. With millions of people also depending on livestock for food, the continent will be insecure unless urgent action is taken.
But today, the target by WHO is elimination of sleeping sickness by 2030. So it's a great achievement.